These MeloBuds Pro by QCY are simply unbelievable. Hi there, Frank George here. I have bought and used so many different earbuds over the years, it's really hard to count. But these MeloBuds Pro are by far the absolute best, truly. QCY stands for quality, creative, and youth, but everyone will enjoy these, not just youngsters, but suggested age range is 10 plus. See, I use them daily. You can enjoy them at work, exercising, cycling, calling, running, recording, and gaming too. They're priced really affordable, but the quality is light years above the selling price. They are compatible with your car audio, smartphones, TVs, tablets, and laptops. They're really easy to use with touch controls on the earbuds, or you can use the app. They're lightweight and waterproof too, and you get 7.5 hours of continuous listening per 10-minute of quick recharge using the included case. That'll give you a combined 34 hours of total playtime, and you'll love the completely customizable listening through the app. And unbelievable noise cancellation too. I'd love for you to hear the outstanding quality, but when I remove them from my ears, they turn off. But the reviews will tell it all, so you don't have to just take my word for it. These are the last earbuds you'll ever need. You'll be blown away by their quality and the size, and they're really easy to use. And when you take calls, the mics will make sure that you'll be heard clearly when you speak. How, you ask? By the noise canceling technology with 6 mic technology. Yep, there's 6 mics in there. And I truly love the multi-device connection capability too. I typically use my laptop and my smartphone. Just scan the QR code in the user manual. The app is really great. It's chock full of features too. And once you pair them, you can switch your devices from your laptop to your smartphone, for example, like I do. And you can customize or personalize your listening too. I particularly love to choose noise cancellation and extra bass. These are my 2 favorite features. I use them for web calls on my laptop almost daily, and I listen to my Spotify music when I work out. They are absolutely great for both work and play. Oh, and they're super easy to use too, and real comfortable. The adaptive active noise cancellation reduces noise by up to 99%, and each ear automatically adjusts the noise cancellation. You see, they analyze your ear canal structure individually. You can do this by pressing and holding on the earbud or selecting it on the app. The ANC, or Adaptive Active Noise Cancellation feature, works up to 46 decibels and has a frequency range from 20 hertz to 2,500 kilohertz. And you can choose from 4 noise canceling modes. There's indoor, commuting, anti-wind, and outdoor. The wind noise reduction and AI-based voice pickup technology gives you crystal clear calls. So whoever you converse with will really appreciate the high quality sound. The ambient noise is canceled too, and vocals are enhanced. What more can you ask for besides crystal clear incoming and outgoing sound? And speaking of high-resolution sound, these MeloBuds Pro have LDAC, or Lagless Digital Audio Codecs, allowing for the highest quality of streaming audio over Bluetooth. Simply, they transmit 300% more data than regular Bluetooth for amazing sound quality. And if you're wondering about hearing ambient sounds while you're wearing them, they have 6-level transparency mode. What that means is you'll be able to hear your surroundings or chat with others while the earbuds are in. You can hear your significant other calling you while you're listening to music or working on a Zoom call. I like to use that technology when I'm riding my bike and listening to music. I can still hear cars around me and horns. No need to remove the buds. And here's what you get when you get your pair. Of course, in the box are your earbuds, your charging case, your charging cable, your different size ear tips. I really like the choice of the different ear tips because my left ear canal is smaller than my right. So I like to use both. Oh, and the user manual. The buds are available in both black and white. You'll be up and running in absolutely no time. QCY MeloBuds Pro are available in more than 30 countries and regions around the world, such as North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. Check out the app and see how easy it is to use all the features. Left and right, individual. Settings, beep volume, wear detection, timing power off, disconnect and power off in 5 minutes, gaming mode, sleep mode, LDAC switch, dual device connection, firmware update. On the sound, there's heavy bass, which I really like, pop to take the pop out of the microphone, default, and spatial sound effects. Noise canceling mode, you have normal, you have transparency. You'll love these high-res audio QCY Wireless MeloBuds Pro, and they make a great gift idea too. Enjoy yours.